What's going on, goats? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Flex Fuel Kit from ProTuning. So with no further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I just put some E85 in the car. I didn't want to show you guys where I go to get my E85 because, you know, that's top secret. Shh, don't tell nobody. But if I press the button and I do it now, you guys can see I'm a little bit under E50. I'm at like E45 right now, for real, for real. I'm realizing as I go, like the ethanol content went down, because when I was at the gas station, it was at like E60 type. It was like all the way over here. And then I filled up 9 gallons of 93. And as I'm driving, now mind you guys, I haven't been on a car that much. I've just been doing like regular driving. It went down. So now I think it's going back down to like an E30 mix, because it has the 93 mixed into it. So realistically speaking, I probably put like E30 in there. So the car should be tuned for E30. I can't really test it out right now because it is drizzling. I don't know if you guys can see that. It should get dry by later tonight. So if it does get dry, they're having races tonight, so we're definitely gonna go down there and just test the car out and see how the car performs, and see if this tune actually does something along with this flex fuel kit. So yeah. Also want to show you guys the map switching. So when I hit resume right here on the steering wheel, you can see that my tachometer, it goes to whatever map I'm in. So I could literally use this and select the map that I want, anywhere from 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is 91, 2 is 91 I think as well for California and all those West Coast states. And then we have 93, and then the stock CS mode, which is map 4. 93 is where I have mine set to, and also with that, whenever I do the flex fuel kit, that's where it stays at. Now I know some of you guys are unfamiliar when it comes to E85 mixing and blending like myself. So all I did was a little bit of research. When I say a little bit, literally just watching Keys Motorsports videos. For those who don't know, 5 gallons of E85 in your car and then 9 gallons of 93 is what gives you a E30 mix. Now I know there's a formula for you to put E85 in your car whenever you're not on fully empty, like whenever you're driving around, but I don't know exactly what that formula is. I still got to do my research on that, but that's just the baseline for you guys, so you can start off with just say E30. Unless you get a full custom tune, then you could go full E85 or full 93, whatever you want to do. I do want to give you guys a disclaimer. The main purpose of me installing this flex fuel kit was because I didn't want to be running the car on E without it being safe. Meaning, I want to be able to put any amount of gas inside my car at any time, or any grade gas at any time that I want if I'm running low on gas. I don't want to be all the way in West Bubbafuck and can't get to an 85 gas station to put E in the car. That means I got to flash back to 93, then put 93 in the car, but I also got to make sure the car is on fully E, basically on fumes, before I'm able to flash back. It's very complicated. Now I know for a fact I could go to any pump at any time and fill up whatever grade I want, and the car will auto correct it to wherever it needs to be for the tune. So that's the main purpose why I got the flex fuel kit. I want to be able to get 93 at any time I want and E85 at any time I want. All right guys, so that's it for today's video. I know today's video was short and spicy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.
Diz made it.